Hey everyone, the Amazfit T-Rex 3 is the latest addition to Amazfit's T-Rex series, developed for outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers. Known for its rugged, military-grade durability, the T-Rex series has consistently delivered watches that can withstand harsh environments. The T-Rex 3 takes this legacy a step further, introducing several significant upgrades, while maintaining the robust appearance and extensive features of its predecessors, especially when compared to the T-Rex 2. One of the most noticeable changes in the T-Rex 3 is its octagonal bezel, replacing the circular appearance of the T-Rex 2. This shift gives the new model a more aggressive, unique aesthetic, making it stand out in the rugged smartwatch market. The industrial vibe is still present, thanks to the red accents and textured buttons that add to its durable, adventure-ready look. The display has also seen a substantial upgrade. The T-Rex 3 features a 1.5-inch AMOLED display with a brightness of 2000 nits, making it ideal for viewing even in direct sunlight. In comparison, the T-Rex 2 had a 1.39-inch display with 454 by 454 resolution and 326 ppi, which, while excellent, doesn't quite match the brilliance or dimension of its successor. This larger and brighter screen makes the T-Rex 3 perfect for outdoor activities where visibility is key, and its Gorilla Glass protection ensures durability against scratches and impact. The T-Rex 3 also introduces a glove mode, an essential feature for winter excursions. This mode allows the watch to be operated while wearing gloves, something the T-Rex 2 lacked. This addition shows Amazfit's attention to the needs of adventurers who use the watch in colder climates. Amazfit has upgraded the straps of the T-Rex 3 to a liquid silicone material, offering improved comfort and hygiene, compared to the silicone straps of the T-Rex 2. Despite this upgrade, the strap dimension remains the same at 22mm, allowing for easy customization and replacement. Under the hood, the T-Rex 3 is powered by the new ZPS 3044 processor, and comes with 32 gigs of internal storage, a significant boost over the T-Rex 2, which had a lower performance chipset and less storage capacity. This upgrade allows the T-Rex 3 to run more efficiently and handle more data, making it faster and more responsive. One of the standout features of the T-Rex 3 is the integration of an AI assistant. This provides users with smart assistant features directly on their wrist, making it easier to interact with the device. In contrast, the T-Rex 2 are light on standard software features without an advanced AI assistant. The T-Rex 3 also runs on Zepp OS 4, bringing a refreshed UI and better performance, along with a native Sonos sound system app, making it more versatile for entertainment and smart home integration. Fitness tracking remains a core function of the T-Rex series, and the T-Rex 3 supports an impressive 170 sports modes, just like its predecessor. However, the T-Rex 3 includes additional sensors, including skin temperature measurement, on top of the heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and sleep tracking that both models offer. Both models have 10 ATM water resistance, making them suitable for activities like swimming and diving. However, the T-Rex 3 is rated for freediving up to 45 meters, an improvement over the T-Rex 2's more standard water resistance capabilities. One of the biggest upgrades in the T-Rex 3 is its 700 mAh battery, which is 1.4 times larger than the 500 mAh battery in the T-Rex 2. This larger battery provides the T-Rex 3 with a 27-day battery life in typical usage scenarios, compared to the T-Rex 2's 24 days. In basic watch mode, the T-Rex 3 can last up to an astounding 81 days, whereas the T-Rex 2 lasts up to 45 days in battery-saving mode. In GPS-intensive modes, the T-Rex 3 also shines. It can run for 42 hours in accuracy GPS mode, and 180 hours in severe battery-saving GPS mode, compared to the T-Rex 2's 26 hours and 58 hours, respectively. Charging times are slightly longer at 3 hours for the T-Rex 3, compared to 2 hours for the T-Rex 2, but this is a small price to pay for the significant boost in battery life. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 is priced at $299 in the US, and €299 in Europe, making it a premium option for adventure enthusiasts. It comes in two colors, Onyx and Lava, and both models offer repurposed strap appearances. The T-Rex 2, which is still available in various colors like Astro Black and Gold, Amber Black, and Desert Khaki, is slightly more affordable, but the feature set of the T-Rex 3 justifies the higher price. The Amazfit T-Rex 3 brings significant improvements over its predecessor, making it the ideal choice for those who need a rugged smartwatch with modern features. With its larger, brighter display, upgraded materials, advanced AI integration, and improved battery life, the T-Rex 3 is a strong contender in the outdoor smartwatch market. The T-Rex 2 remains a great option for those who prioritize durability and fitness tracking, but the T-Rex 3 offers a more polished, powerful, and feature-rich experience. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave your opinion about the new generation of watches. Have a nice day and God bless you.